Hello everybody. Today we're going to try to make an all about me page. What we're going to do is that we're going to use Microsoft Word. If you are on a Mac, you will need to go to the upper right corner and under the search bar, the Finder, and type the word Word. Same as for your PC, you go to the bottom part of your computer and type the word Word. You will then see the application on your computer and you will click on it. You will search for a blank document and then we're going to start working in an all about you page. We're going to go to Design. We're going to choose a page border. We're going to choose an art. You may choose one accordingly. You may enlarge the border of the page and press Accept. If you want to make it thicker, you go back there and you make it even bigger. Your page should look something like this. Our first step is going to go to the tab of the beginning and we're going to choose a font type to make our title. For example, All About Me. The font size is here under the formatting toolbar in the ribbon area, and we will choose a size between 48 and 72, maybe a 60, and we're going to type All About Me. First thing after writing All About Me is to insert also a text box. We're going to place it over here and we're going to delete anything that it has written by selecting. Remember that you can select by doing 2 clicks or 3 clicks and then backspace, and you're going to type name. In my case, I'm going to write Mrs. Ingrid Newman. I can make it bigger by going to the beginning, and I can make it bold, and I can change the font type. You have seen all the font types that you have here. And I can also change if it's left, centered, or right. In this case, I'm going to choose right. Gonna insert again another box. And in this occasion, I'm going to type a list of my birthday. October 7th. Then I'm going to type favorite sport, bowling. I'm skipping 2 lines. In the third one, I'm going to type where I live. Panama, in English, Pacifico, but it's in Spanish, so I better keep correct spelling, because in this case, even if it's marked on red, we're typing an address that it's in Spanish. Over here, I'm gonna type I want to be. What do you want to be? Do you want to be a doctor? Do you want to be an architect? Do you want to be a nurse? Do you want to be an engineer? Do you want to be a scientist? What do you want to be when you grow up? I'm exactly what I wanted to be when I grew up. I'm a teacher. I want to be a teacher. I've always wanted to be a teacher. In here, I'm going to also insert a box. But in this case, I'm going to go for a shape. In this shape, I'm going to change it for images. And I am going to get an image that I have on my computer. And I'm sure your mom and dad can help you with this. You're going to get a picture of you. And if you see, the picture is under my box. But what I'm going to do is make a right click. And I'm going to bring that picture by going here and telling that picture to go in front. So I can place it in front of the box. The correct way to increase the size of a picture is diagonally. If you do it differently, you're going to lose the proportion of the picture. Once you've inserted a picture of you in your document, I want you to insert one more box here. And in that box, I want you to tell me what have, let me put it closer so you can read it better. What have you learned this past week during our crisis? Here I want to see your comments on how you're feeling, what you have learned, but I want you to do the following. I want you to use here one font. You go here, you change the font, and I want you to change the color of the font on this line. I want you to change the color of the font on this line. I want you to change the color of the font on this line. And here, I want you to write on font size number 16. Besides what you have learned during the crisis, I want you to write 3 goals for 2020. That is, 3 things that you would like to do or achieve in 2020. When you finish doing your file, you're going to go File, Save As, and you are going to save it into your computer desktop under All About Me. And once you have it, you can go to your Teams and to your computer class and post it under homework. If you need any help uploading it into your 4th grade team computer class, please let me know. I'm here to help. Have a nice evening.